This is a 1905 Ford Model F Runabout. They made about 500 of them in 1905. It's a 12 horsepower Ford, and the engine is right here. So you sat on top of the engine, so you're wondering what's up front. That's the gas tank and the cooling. So weighed about 1,400 pounds. Flat 2-cylinder engine. That's where you would crank it. Simple 2-pedal system. And chain drive. So this car is at the Ford Piquette Plant Museum in Detroit, Michigan, birthplace of the Model T. It's a factory where cars like this were made, and that's what I really like about this museum is you see cars like this exhibited right where they were made. So 1905 Ford Model F, come and see it at the Ford Piquette.